Yeah, you're welcome to this class. Thank you for joining. Then we want to advance our career in digital marketing. And what we'll be considering today is how can we how we can grow all the handles. That is, we'll be starting from how to grow Facebook handle. You want to grow Facebook, you want to grow your followers on Facebook, your likes, your comments, how to do that. Today we'll be taking Facebook, another Facebook ad section, how to use Facebook to grow your community. And that's what I will be discussing today. Now, the first thing is you log on to your ad manager. For those that are just joining this class, you can go to the YouTube channel, watch the videos on the Facebook, it's still on the YouTube channel, on how to get to the ad manager. Now, you come straight to your ad manager, then I'll click on ad manager. The first step is for you to fund your wallet. You go to billing, then follow the procedure, fund your wallet. Now we're discussing how can we grow your handle. Now, what's the benefit of growing your handles? I'll be telling you the benefit of growing your handle, of having a larger community, digital community. Now, the first thing that we do here is after funding the wallet under billing, you click on ad manager. When you get to your ad manager, I'm using two wallets. This is icell.ng. This wallet is attached to icell. My wife is CEO of icell.ng. Then this is Softtrace. I'm using Softtrace this time around. Softtrace. We can click on create campaign here to start. Step one. The step one is go to fund your wallet. Then step two is you can click on create campaign after ad manager. That is step three. Let me call this one step three. You click on create campaign. Create campaign. Create campaign. Then you come down to instead of using traffic, you use engagement. We want to grow, we want people to follow a page. Now, sometimes you can run hard that 30 people will follow your Instagram handle in a day. If 30 to 50 people are following your Instagram handle in a day, telling you that in a month, it depends on the funding. Once you fund it, you can even grow it to any numbers. Depends on your budget. But let's assume you grow it to like 50 per day and your ad is running every day. 50 times 30 will be what? Can I hear your voice? 50 times 30, 50.
15.
That will be what?
15.
50 times 30 is a 15. Okay. That's 15. Okay. Now let's now go to engagement. Will you click on engagement? Engagement, then click on continue. That's the first step. Then the second step is you put the name, grow. You can name it anything, grow Softtrace. This your clients will not be saying it because some clients will be coming to you to help them to grow their handles. They are not interested. Some are celebrities, some are musicians, some are business owners, some are just doing that for competition. You just want to show their friend that, oh, people are now following. Some are politicians and they want to grow their handles. You can help them as a digital marketer, let them pay you. Then there's another one, if time permits today, I will show you how you can grow what they call it, like magic. That one is buying followers. That's another, but some clients will come to you. They want their handles to grow to 10,000 a day. That one is buying followers. They're buying followers. But you can render the service. Most time I have clients that will come around and they say that's what they want. You know, most times when you see Nigerian politicians, when they get to town now, you see crowd of people following them. Most times they buy the followers, they will just give the keke napep, they will give their boss, they will give them money, they give the Okada rider money and so on. Even if they don't know, ask some of the keke people that are following, what's the name of the politician you are following? That's when you discover that they don't even know the person. They are now one big man, now one big man, he just enter town. Now, the people can buy, people just want, that, what they call it, they want, in the stage of Abraham Maslow principle, once your basic need is met, the second stage is security. The third stage is influence. People want influence, even digital influence online. That's what, you can help them to do this service. Now we'll come to grow Facebook, grow Softrace, grow Softrace, Facebook, here, document printing, via document printing. You grow Softrace Facebook, via document printing. Then after that, that's what the campaign name, and this one can be anything. Now, what I'm trying to do is to use the document printing project we started here. And I told us no business idea is small. Your idea is big. Just make sure you market. Now, when you come here, this small idea now, a lot of people are already coming for bigger services more than the document printing. But in business, we call it market entrance. You can use, something that is a bit strange, is super offer to drag people. Like ShopRite now, they use drinks. Everybody will take Coca-Cola. You can use that offer, we call it market entrance, to drag people to cause a traffic to the business you're doing, that online or offline. When the people now come, any other services you do, you market it to them. Even if you are not in that line. For example, now we're not selling car. Or you see people asking me, oh, where can I get, can you recommend someone? Can you help me to get a car? Can you help me to get a land? And so on. And because they trusted you in one line of business, there's no any business they won't trust you. Let me hear your voice if you are getting value. I just want the class to be interesting.
Value, sir.
Value, sir.
Thank you.
Value.
Thank you. Now, let's now go to the second stage, which is very, very important. I'll now come to this point. Then, instead of messaging app, you can run to your Instagram and Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger here. That is when people see your ad on Facebook, once they click on learn more, it will take them to your either Instagram or WhatsApp. But the one I want today is get people to engage with your Facebook ad. Now, I will click on this. I'll click on this, and then after clicking on this, I'll come to...
It's not showing, sir.
Okay, it's not showing.
It's showing, no.
It's showing
From
here,
my
sir.
end.
Okay, thank you. Now, I'll come to Facebook. Facebook, get people to engage with your Facebook page. I want people to follow Softrace Facebook page. Now, two things I'm doing here. I'm using the ad to grow the people that are following, to grow the digital community of Softrace. Now, what I'm targeting is a strategy. And this strategy, the strategy I'm giving you now, what, 400K. Now, what am I doing? 400,000 naira, it's worth it. That's some of the things digital marketer will be keeping secret, that they'll be keeping from you. Now, what will I be doing here? I'll be using the ad to, create awareness, and at the same time, using the ad to grow the community. The ad will be doing two things, not just coming to my WhatsApp alone. People will follow the page. Now, how would I click here? The page, select the page that I want them to follow. And this is the page. Okay, I think this is the page. Now, coming here, I can put but there's, there's an option I'm looking for. Engagement part, get people to engage with your ad. Facebook likes, you get this now. This is for people so that you can get more Facebook like, and that's what this ad would do. Now, when we come here, I want to get more Facebook like, that is, they will be, at the lowest cost. Though they will charge more than when you just run to WhatsApp, but we are using the ad to perform two things. Now, here, I just come here and put the amount I'm spending. Let me see, I'm budgeting 2,000 naira per day. I'm budgeting 2,000 naira per day. The start date is this, and after that, I have a save audience that, I have a save audience, I think, okay, Nigerian universities, August, okay, this is August 2023, list of universities. Now, I want people from schools, that is University of UU, University of Calabar, University of Federal University of, and all the university. I've saved them in a list here. If you don't know how to save data, I think I took it in one of the previous classes that we had. Then I'll click here. I'll click here, then that is, I don't need to be typing the audience. I already have the audience. Now, all this audience, now another thing I wish to do here is to edit. I want to edit it to, okay, I want it to be Kwara. Please listen to this strategy. This is what is important. All the other things are the same. Kwara State. Kwara, okay, Kwara State. Then what I'm telling Facebook is that I want to target people that graduated from all their students of Bayero University, Kano, Zandat, University of Ibadan, that are in Kwara State, Now, those are the people that will need the service of the document project printing, project research, and all those things that we're doing. But I'm concentrating on Kwara State now because it's a physical shop. Most of them have to come to the shop to print, or we deliver within Ilorin for now. But later we're working towards delivering outside Kwara. That's when we put this to Nigeria. But if we now run the promo and we choose Nigeria, we'll be wasting money when somebody that is outside Kwara, somebody in Enugu is seeing the advert and is asking you, can you deliver the document to Enugu? And we can provide a service for now. Now, our logistic covers Kwara. For now, we can deliver anywhere Kwara. Now, we will now come here, and I want, these are the people, that is anybody that is in Kwara on their profile in Facebook that graduated. They may graduate, they may run a program in University of Ilorin, later had masters in FUTA, Federal University of Technology, Akure. Then they can, it will target them that they are in Kwara State. That's what I want the target to be. Then after that, I'll now come down and I'll come down here. I can update the ad here, that is, update the audience. Update. Then after updating the audience, click on done. Click on done. Now I'm done with that aspect. Now I'll now go to next. I'll go to next. Now you see now that once they click on this like button, let me upload the what they call it first so you can see this. Please pay attention. Pay attention. Now copy. Let me see the copy I sent to people. I want to see one of the see one of the, okay, I think I sent it to our this is the other one. Is it this one? Okay, I think this one is the copy that I want to use. Now get your document printing, you know, want to copy this copy, then put it here. And just if you have the copy in Microsoft or anywhere you have it, you can go and copy. Then come to the Ad Manager, put the primary text here. Okay. Document printing, 15 naira per page. Document printing just for 15 naira per page. That would be my CTA. That is call to action. Let me Facebook font. Facebook font. I want to make the font darker. Yeah. This is Facebook font. This is just to make the font to be a bit darker, you know, to get, you know, a style. And let me see if I can get something. Document printing just a page. Let's use this simple. Let me use this. Okay. Oh, I will not be able to use call to action here. Sorry. I want people to follow the page. Sorry. There's no need of putting any call to action. Then what I will not do now. Just a minute. Sorry, I'm back. Hope you are hearing me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Now, this one, I don't need any call to action because once the people click on like, they will automatically follow the software page. They become follower of the page. And once I run this ad now, the number of the followers of the page will be increasing. Now, Facebook algorithm have created this call to action. This call to action here, this link, Facebook has done it in such a way that once they click on like, they follow the page. And that's why some of us, we find ourselves in some page that you don't know how you got there. You saw their ad, then you like it. Then let me put the media. Okay. Okay, yeah. I want to add the image, the graphics we're using. The graphics we're using. The graphics we're using. The document printing. Have I run sponsor ad with it? Not sure, but let me go to my account. To softwares. Softwares. Okay. Yeah. I think this is the document printing. Now, this advert is what is called in business just a market entrance. You know, a lot of people, when they see it, is strange. As you know, we started this class with this project. Most time when I'm training people digital marketing, I will just take a project that so that they can see the purpose of the project. Now you may just be thinking, oh, this is just a small project. We've used some of this project to get some, dignitaries to come around to our, business form. They just saw the advert. Okay. Now you just come here, you click on done, click on done, click on done, on done, click on done, and this is the way the advert will look like. Now get your black and white and so on, printed, so on and so forth. Now, when they just click on like, they follow the page. They follow the page, and I'll click on publish. Publish. Then, because I've not funded the wallet, when the ad is approved, I'll get a message that I need to fund the wallet, or I'll see it that I need to fund the wallet. Now they will approve the ad, even despite the fact that I've not funded my wallet, but they will now tell me it will just show account error. Once you see account error in your ad, it shows that you don't have money on your wallet. Let me go to account error. Once you see it will show account error. Now the account error doesn't mean that your ad is not good. No. What it's telling you is that you don't have money in your wallet. You don't have money in your wallet. Okay. Let me see the ad I have now. Okay, let me show you something here. Let me show you here. Now we are familiar with this environment. Now we have campaigns, we have ad set, we have ad. Now please don't worry yourself. Just use your dialect. Some of us, somebody like I do, went to schools. When we started schools, guys, and some of us here also, a lot number of us, when we started school, there used to be morning section school, afternoon school. Let me hear your voice if you experience those kind of school.
Yes, sir.
Halaro and Olosa. Are we there? Yeah.
Yes,
now, most schools then, we don't have schools in number like we do now. They teach some schools in Yoruba language. You are taught in Igbo or Hausa language. Now, what I just want us to do to be good in any test is that try to, once you're teaching me something, there's a compiler that in Yoruba will explain to me that, oh, this is what you are saying. And when I'm not teaching, the way I'm teaching in English, but I understand this thing to a layman, I can explain it to a layman. And that's when you can set your goal. In education, when I did a postgraduate in education, they said, if you cannot explain it to a child to 6 years old, then you don't understand the concept. Now, the concept is in Facebook ad, there's 3 sections. Campaign, that's where we set the campaign name and all those stuff. You see the name and so on and so forth. Yeah, so you see growth soft trace, Facebook via some document printing. Now it's showing account error. It doesn't mean they will not approve it. It's because there's no money in the wallet. I will not go and fund it. Now this project I'm doing, I'm not just doing it for play. They will approve it. Then you come to ad set. You come to ad set, then you come to ad set is, that's where we set the daily budget, set people you want to target. Now, you now come to the ad. The ad is where you upload the graphics, you put your hard copy and so on. Now, this is ad set. This is ad. This is ad. But assuming there's money in the wallet, here we'll be writing learning. Learning. Now, the meaning of that learning is that your hard learning, we'll call it hard learning. The advert, you set a parameter. Facebook is big community. Then you now set a parameter that Facebook look for people that are in Kwara State. Now, this is excellent algorithm that, graduated from any of this university, or they are staff of this university, or on their profile. Now, Facebook will now look at billions of people that they have on Facebook, millions of people, and be looking for people that, and that's why the ad will not just respond. You may not be seeing people under something like 30 minutes, not clicking the ad. You need to be patient. The ad is undergoing ad learning. One of the things I've added to our skill today is ad learning. Now, I think I'm good for today's class. Any question here?
Yes,
Hope
sir.
you've got value.
Yes, sir. My
Okay.
question is, on this page I had an issue with the one you said we should do the other time, that traffic, to get traffic to a WhatsApp. I don't know if there is anyone on this page that has something to do with getting traffic to WhatsApp. But the mistake I made was I clicked WhatsApp and Messenger, but it was not giving me an option to the demography. So I now later resorted at stopping at Messenger alone, so that it will give me opportunity to do the demography. So after doing all this, the campaign was going out there, but it was taking people to my Messenger. So we couldn't get any message on the WhatsApp, which we can easily navigate.
Okay,
So
let me explain where the issue is. Now, today I click on Facebook algorithm. They always change the algorithm. Now, it was that week that I taught you how to use traffic to run hard, to run to WhatsApp, that it changed some settings. That's why Facebook, you must just continue to learn on Facebook, continue to master Facebook. Facebook algorithm is too solid. Now, to do that, you go to engagement, use engagement. Then under engagement, you will see messaging hub. Under messaging hub, you should be able to get WhatsApp. That's another way. The engagement I took now, I went to the last part to click on Facebook page. For this one, you just click on messaging. Under messaging, you now click on WhatsApp, and your heart will run to WhatsApp. Hope I've answered your question.
Yes. So the last question, sir. The last question is how to save the audience. How can we save our audience on the...
Okay, how to save your audience? I'll take you in some subsequent class. Now, what I'm doing is that when I'm taking a class, I make it a bit simpler, so that once I'm explaining the whole thing, the whole Nigerians doesn't, the way you must understand the people, the way the communities. You just take some part. Even when I'm building people on engineering designs, I train people on engineering designs, ArchiCAD, AutoCAD, and so on. I will come from simple and good, then I will now go back to it. This Facebook will be coming back to it. So that will become expert. Don't worry, I'll show us how to. Let me take one more question. Then before we go. Yeah.
Sir, I got confused from the way you picked the flyer we are using to run the ad to coming down here. I didn't get it well, please.
Okay, where I pick it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what you will do is you go through this video. Do you understand? I just went to click on. I went to my WhatsApp because I send message to people. Yeah, I did a broadcast via Wamation. That's what I went to copy. Now I think I forwarded it to our rep here, live from our team here. And then I send it to Madam here. Then I send a broadcast. I went to copy that copy. Then the second thing is I went to my system to upload the design. The design was on my system here, and I went to on the folder. That's what I just went to upload, and that's what we have done. Thank you, everyone. Hope you got value in today's class.
Yes, sir, we got value.
This way, I'm not going to take another. I'm not going to take another section. Let's go and do our practical. Let's come to WhatsApp if you have any question. Then in the subsequent class, I will show you how to grow. That one is buying followers. How to grow your handle to 10,000 in a day. That one also is possible. In case your client demand for it, I will show you how to do that. Thank you everyone for the class. I'm happy that we're here. You have a nice time. Let's meet on the WhatsApp group.